Welcome, fellow English learners. Are you feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your journey to fluency in this beautiful and transformative language? Let me assure you, the effort you're putting in is worth it. English can open up a world of opportunities for you, both personally and professionally. First and foremost, learning English can significantly improve your communication skills. It can expand your vocabulary, enhance your ability to express yourself clearly, and increase your confidence in social situations. Imagine being able to effectively convey the thoughts and ideas to a wide range of people from different cultural backgrounds and walks of life. English is the language of business, science, and the arts. It is spoken by over 1.5 billion people worldwide and is the official language in over 60 countries. This means that having a strong command of English can significantly increase your job prospects and career advancement. It can open doors to international job opportunities, professional networks, and give you access to a vast array of educational and professional resources. So don't get discouraged, my friends, on your journey to fluency. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities to learn and to grow. Remember, the more you practice and as you continue to improve your English skills, you'll begin to see the mental, social, and career transformation that this language can bring. So stay motivated and stay dedicated and keep pushing yourself to reach new heights with me. With hard work and determination, you can achieve fluency and unlock the limitless potential of English. Believe in yourself and your ability, and never underestimate yourself or the power of the English language to enrich your life and transform your future. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.